So in this video we are going to see about manner of utilization of credit. Okay, so what is manner of utilization of credit? Uh, how you can use input tax credit is termed as manner of utilization of credit. Okay, the order of set off, how the IGST should be set off, how the GST should be set off, how SGST credit has to be dealt with, and how UTGST credit has to be dealt with. Okay, so we will be seeing all those. The first rule one is that there is no restriction with respect to IGST, that is IGST credit can be used for payment of any GST liability and any GST credit can be used for payment of IGST liability. So which can be interpreted as IGST credit. If there is an IGST credit, it can be used for payment of IGST liability, CGST liability, SGST liability and UTGST liability. So if you can use IGST for all these four, then the vice versa is also possible. That is, UTGST credit can be used for IGST payable, SGST credit can be used for IGST liability, CGST credit can be used for IGST liability as well. Okay, so the next point is that only IGST credit is allowed to use in different taxes, but CGST can't be set off with SGST, SGST can't be set off with CGST, and SGST cannot be set off with UTGST, and UTGST cannot be set up with SGST. Okay, so the the interhead set off, that is between CGST, SGST and UTGST, these three cannot be set off against each other, but IGST can be set off with all the liabilities. Okay, and the credit can be set off with all the liabilities, and the vice versa, the credit of others can also be set off to this, and the liability of others can also be set off with this IGST credit. Okay, the priority, what is the priority? First, if you have a IGST credit, then if you have a IGST payable, you need to first set off that IGST payable. Okay, and then the thing is that when the IGST payable is over, next you should move on with CGST payable or SGST payable or UTGST. So the first preference, if you have a IGST credit, should be given to IGST payable. Same wise, when you have a CGST credit, you should give the first priority to CGST payable. Same wise, SGST credit should be given to SGST payable. UTGST credit should given a first priority for setting of UTGST payable. Okay, so once when all these have done, then the remaining of CGST credit, SGST credit, UTGST credit can be used for paying up IGST payable. Okay, so that order should be first IGST credit, then CGST credit, then SGST, then UTGST. Okay, so the next point is that before utilizing CGST and SGST credit of IGST should be completely exhausted. What does the word completely exhausted mean? Completely exhausted means it should have been fully emptied. Okay, so if you have a IGST credit of 1000 rupees, entire 1000 rupees should have been utilized. Okay, only after then you can move on with CGST credit or SGST credit available. So the next point is that for payment of IGST liability, if you have a payment of IGST liability, say for example, you have an IGST credit of 200, you have an CGST credit of 100, SGST credit of 100, total you have 400 credit, including all these three. Okay, all the credits are summed up to 4000 rupees, but you have a single IGST liability for say for example 500 rupees. Okay, you have a IGST liability for 500 rupees, you have an IGST credit of 200, CGST credit of 100 and SGST credit of 100. So what will be the case here is that if 500 has to be paid off, so already you have a credit of IGST of 200. First, the IGST credit is to be set off. Okay, so out of that 500 minus 200, you will still have to pay 300 rupees. So when there is 300 rupees, now you have two remaining credits. What are those two remaining credits after IGST, CGST and SGST? So you have both 100 rupees each. Okay, in that case, next after IGST credit, you will set off CGST credit of 100 rupees, and then you will come on with SGST credit. Okay, so the order is that IGST credit, CGST credit, and SGST credit. Okay, so after setting off this 400 on that 500, you will left with 100 rupees as liability still. Okay, that liability has to be paid to cash. Okay, so that your liability will be completed. The next thing is that illustration you can also verify with an illustration. Okay, so and the other important concept that you need to have in mind while solving an illustration is that the order of set, like for example in some cases you will have multiple choices while playing with a number. Okay, because the condition is that only ITGST has to be completely exhausted. There is no condition as such. CGST should also be exhausted, SGST also should be exhausted on in order, or they have to be exhausted in what order they have not mentioned. Only the IGST should have been exhausted. So there can be multiple ways you can set off a thing. So in that case you need to choose the best way, that you need to pay the minimum liability. Okay, the minimum liability possible has to be considered. Okay, in what combination you will required to pay, only minimum liability has to be chosen. Okay, so yes, I hope I am clear with this. In case of doubt, please do comment. Okay, thank you so much.